This brand is from Carrier and is made in Mexico. The units are available in Canada and the USA but only through their dealer network. All of their units feature a durable baked-on powder coat finish and the ability to communicate with the other parts of the home's heating and cooling systems to maximize comfort and efficiency. The HSH6 models have a compressor sound isolation blanket which is better than many brands in the basic category, but their wire grill does not do much to protect the condenser coil from damage. The HCH6 is a premium model that uses quiet shift technology for quieter operation when entering and leaving the defrost mode. The HVH8 model is their entry in the ultimate category of heat pumps and features a variable speed fans and compressors for quiet efficient operation. They are backed by a pretty good guarantee that includes unit replacement in case of compressor failure within 10 years. The wire grill does not protect the coil from damage very well and is not what you would expect from an ultimate line of heat pumps.